This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Wall. Tons of potential in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, concrete block construction, Rockledge home. Located in Fairway Estates. Ready for your renovation. Huge backyard. Covered screened patio. Spacious utility room. Kitchen with lots of storage. Formal living and dining rooms. Beautiful woodwork on living room ceiling. Carport. Newer roof. Gorgeous oak canopy in the front yard provides lots of shade. Close to I-95 for easy access to the airport. A short drive to Cocoa Village or the world-famous Cocoa Beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Wall at 321-308-0335.